Hey, I've got this 2013 Yanmar Vio35-6A. I think it's the last cab they made. I broke the window out, the front slider window on the right side. Didn't know how to change it out. So what I did is I heated up that frame that goes around there, and I got it to pull out with pry bars real carefully. Got it to come out, and here it is with the glass installed. This piece here goes from the top to the bottom. It's riveted on the top and the bottom. I didn't want to remove it because this piece here, if that rivets were cut, I don't think this piece of aluminum would bow this way. It's too strong, but it'll twist torsionally. So I took out there's rubber molding on the top. I just started in this corner where it ended and pulled it down to this curve. I stopped about here and let it hang down. Then I put the new glass up in there, and then it only had to go up like maybe a 16th or a 32nd to pop in here. And I was able to push up on my glass with my thumbs on both sides and have an assistant push over on the top of the frame and twist that just enough, and I could feel it pop in. Then you could let it settle down in here, and then with the window slid all the way back, I started at the curve and put my molding back in as far as it would go, and then I gave myself another inch. I cut it and stuck it in there, and then put the glass this way, and I started at that side and put it in, and then it actually came in from the other side, so I was able to get all the molding back in except for maybe like a ½ inch. No biggie, it slides just fine. So if you've never tried putting one of these in, it can be impossible. I mean, I was to the point I was about ready just to take a real thin, whatever the thinnest blade I could find, and just cut that, stick this stupid glass in, put all this back up in the frame, and glue it back in because it's held in with silicone anyway. So I'm glad now I was patient, and I got that to twist by having that mounted in the vise and just pushing that top over and then get that glass popped in. So I hope this helps you out. If you've never tried to do it, I hope it works for you. Like I said, this is a 4-ton machine. I kind of think they're all about the same, but you might run into this. Take care.